Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Ahoufe Darocha. Thank you for coming back to watch a new video from me. If you are new, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. If you're not new, thank you for being so faithful to come back and watch another video. So today I'm going to be doing a look, creating this beautiful look with my go-to brands, my go-to cosmetics that I use. I went for a fall look, something dark, something glamorous, something bold, something classy, something chic. I mean, why not, darlings? It's lockdown, we're at home. I haven't worn makeup for ages. I thought, why not jump on here and just do something, do a nice fall look. So that's what I've created for you guys today. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So I'm gonna start with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Jackie Aina palette, which I love. This is one of my go-to palettes, my favorite palette. And I'm gonna start with, let's see, I'm gonna start with edges because I want to sort of build the smokiness. So I always start with like a really light shade first and then I build my way. Okay, so I've primed my eyes, I've put concealer on my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the first shade, which is Edges from Jackie Aina palette. I'm just gonna go in with that. And yes, just buff this all out, literally. Okay, so I've got my base, I've got my orange sort of shade. Now I'm gonna go in with chocolate. I'm gonna do the chocolate in stages, the browns in stages. I'm gonna do a light chocolate and then we're gonna take it to a darker chocolate. So I'm gonna use my Profusion Gold Rush palette, which I love so much. I'm gonna take, let me see. I'm gonna take Boost. It's like a brick brown color. Let me start with that first and see how that looks. Okay, it's quite similar to the red, so I'm gonna use the one next to it, Brown Sugar. I'm gonna put Brown Sugar. That's it, we're just building up the brown now. I love creating fall shades. I love fall shades, like winter, dark colors. You can create so much different looks. Okay, before we go to the black, I'm now gonna take credit from the same Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I've been using the same brush, as you can see, because this blending brush is just amazing. This is Profusion blending brush, by the way, guys. So I'm just packing on the brown now. There we go. Just popping the brown in my crease. I'm gonna blend everything out with a different brush. Okay, so as you can see, the brown is on. Now I'm going to go in with my Starlet palette from Profusion, another gorgeous palette. And I'm gonna go for the black. This is the perfect charcoal black, I love it. And I'm just gonna place it all over the lids. But when you're doing a smoky eye, the secret to a successful one is you don't want to take the black too high. So just literally on your lid, and then you're going to blend it out. and then you top it up and then you blend it out, but you're not gonna put the black all the way up, because then you look like you've got a bruised eye, as if you've been punched in the face, and no one wants to be looking like that. I'm just gonna place the black on very lightly as well, not too heavy, so that I can go back and blend it out and then add more until you get it as dark as you want. The smoky eye, you just have to have a lot of patience. You don't want to put the black on all at once and all over your eye. So a lot of us tend to make that mistake. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it out again. And as you're blending out, you can start taking it slightly higher. Slightly, just on your crease, no higher, very lightly as well. And then you can go in with your previous color, which was my edges. And I'm gonna use that to blend, ooh, taking too much, to blend it out. Like I said, you don't want it looking too heavy. Eyes are done. Now we're going to move on to the face, my favorite part. I just literally just dab a bit of my MAC Fluid Studio Fix. Probably said that in the wrong order. MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is my favorite. My go-to, okay? And the only thing that after a long period of time, because obviously due to lockdown, so I haven't really been wearing makeup. So my makeup has been sitting around for a while. And I find that when I come back to using it, it does oxidize, so it's looking a bit orange than before. But once the makeup is set, it'll look all right. I just love the airbrush look it gives me, and it's full coverage as well. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, the shade Fawn. That's my another go-to concealer. Very inexpensive. Probably the cheapest concealer that does the best job anyway. So I'm putting it on my cheekbones to narrow my face, to highlight my face as well. And I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm just taking my setting powder to set my concealer in place. Now we're gonna blend everything in together, because right now I'm looking like a hot mess. I'm looking so pale, so we're gonna blend this in. I'm gonna use my go-to MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep Powder. This is another one of my go-to, just to blend everything in together. So now I am going to contour, which I haven't done in a while. 1 second, how cool is this? This is the Profusion Cosmetics magnetic brush set. They've got a whole collection of brushes that they sent me these two to try out. And aren't these just so, like, how cool is this? Like, if you're doing your makeup, you don't have to worry about your brushes being all over the place, having to pick them up and find them here and there. You just have them on your magnetic board and that's it, you're good to go. It's just so easy to use, you see? So yeah, I think that's cool. Thank you Profusion Cosmetics for that. I really, really, really love these brushes. These are so cool. And I'm definitely buying the full collection because I'm fed up of having to dig out my single brushes when I'm looking for a brush to use. So this is just so clever and it's so handy and I just love it. I just use a brown shadow. I'm gonna take brown sugar from my Pro Cosmetics and I'm gonna use that to, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna contour with that. Oh. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. The shadows are just so pigmented, so you don't even need to use much. A little goes a long, long way. Cheeks, I'm gonna do my forehead now. I don't even need a bronzer after this. This is just like my bronzer. For me, I don't like too much of a dark contour. I like a bit of a bronzy, sun-kissed contour. So I tend to just bronze my face. That's why I don't buy contour powders. Yes. Snatched nose. Look at that. Look at the transformation. Look at the transformation of my nose. My big nose is now a narrow nose. My big nose is now a narrow, and then I'm gonna blend that out. But I don't like to blend out too much because I like the contour to show. Lightly, ever so lightly, I'm just gonna go with my Ebony Bronzer. CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. I don't really need to be honest, because the contour has done everything for me, but Eye Beauty For You blush in Coral, my favorite blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my cheekbones, ever so gently, not too much because it's really pigmented, so I don't even need a lot. Like so. I remember I used to be crazy over contour. When contour first started, I used to go crazy on the contouring. That used to be my favorite part of makeup, contouring. Just gonna blend all that in together to avoid any harsh lines. Okay, so lashes are now on. I put a bit of blue eyeshadow underneath my eyes just to give it a bit of a pop. And so now I'm gonna line my lips. Lip pencil, it's like a plum shade. I'm gonna highlight and we are done. Let my lips dry. And I'm gonna highlight in the meantime. This is BBM Cosmetics. I'm taking their beautiful, my go-to highlighter palette. I'm going to take Class. Class is like a warm champagne. Oh, 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 oh. Damn. Look at that glow. I don't want to put too much. A little goes a long way. And I'm gonna blend that out after as well, so it doesn't look so crazy. My nose, down the bridge of my nose. My cupid's bow. Tiny bit on my forehead, just a little bit. Wow, I look like I'm glowing. Glowing, glowing, glowing. Shining bright like the sun. Oh. Okay. Woo! Now I'm gonna spray my face. My go-to MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in coconut. I love it. Almost finished. I need to buy more. Coconut. I am loving the look, guys. Oh my gosh. I'll take a photo. You guys check out my Instagram. I'm going to leave it down below. Go to my Instagram to see the proper look, because I feel like it doesn't give it justice on this camera. You're not seeing this properly. Like, I'm going to take some pictures and post this on my Instagram. So check this out and show me some love. Flow the comments, flow the likes. Show your girl some love. Or give me the support. Okay. I'm joking. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this glamorous, exaggerated, over the top look. I hope you love it. It's fall, it's lockdown, we're at home. Why not play? Why not take pictures? But yeah, so that was my go-to products. It ended up being a go-to product look because by the end of it, I realized that everything I used was my go-to. So yeah, I hope you guys did like it. I'm gonna leave Profusion's details down below. Ahoufe 25 for discount off my hair. And not forgetting Profusion's Starlet palette, which is so gorgeous. It's got glitter in there as well, so you'd have to find glitter or buy glitter to match your, you know, to get a good you'd have to go and buy glitter for your eye looks. It's all in one. You've got eyeshadows and you've got glitters in there already. Same with this palette as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous brown sort of summery vibe. And this one I'll say is more autumn. So yeah, I'll leave their details down below. You can check Profusion. I hope you guys like this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know what you're thinking about this look, guys, okay? And I'll catch you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.